For over a century, the National Communication Association, or also known as NCA, has studied what makes people good communicators and has developed tools to build oral communication skills. Someone may argue that they get excited or eager to talk with strangers, but with knowledge about what makes someone an effective communicator, practice, honest feedback, and more practice, most people can improve their communication skills and build confidence in their ability to connect with and influence others. In 2018, NCA asked a group of communication professors to collaborate with researchers from the Social Science Research Council in Brooklyn to publish a report on the essential competencies that all public speaking students should be able to do after completing a college-level public speaking course. The competencies include 1. Create messages appropriate to the audience purpose and context. 2. Critically analyze messages. 3. Apply ethical communication principles and practices. 4. Utilize communication to embrace difference. 5. Demonstrate self-efficacy. And lastly, number 6, influence public discourse. Now, if you're listening to this and you're a college student, you are interested in looking to earn a degree to gain knowledge and improve your job opportunities. Research across communication, business, sociology, and education has concluded that higher education remains the best vehicle for upward mobility in the United States. Over the course of a lifetime, on average, someone with a bachelor's degree will earn over $1 million more than an individual with no college degree. With employment opportunities becoming increasingly competitive due to technological advances, it is more important now than ever that individuals continue to develop their communication skills to make and maintain connections between people across the globe. I hope that you will be the communicator you want to be to achieve your short-term and long-term personal and professional goals. The truth is that each of us and our messages and what we say will be analyzed differently by people in all around the world. But the better we understand ourselves and others, the better communication there will be and the better skills that we will obtain. Through strategic communication choices, critical self-reflection of your social identities and experiences, or what you put out to the world, and sharpening interpersonal communication skills, you can improve your chances of success. To start your journey to become a better communicator is to know who you are in this moment. I mean, think about who you want to be and where you want to be in the next couple of years. Communication it's an ongoing learning process, and we are all lifelong learners. We continue learning every day, every year, for the rest of our lives. As we work to develop your communication style and skills and hone in on the communication practices and skills that will help you to achieve your personal and professional goals, I highly encourage you to observe the communications or communicators around you in your face-to-face and virtual interactions, whether it be in person or online, ideally both. Communication is a strategic process that requires critical self-reflection and an understanding and appreciation of others and their experiences to be successful. As individuals, we have the ability and the agency to develop our communication skills. Our goals, when you listen to this, is to become the best speaker you can be and to create a learning experience that challenges you to continuously reflect and work on to be the person and communicator you want to be. Now, this lesson doesn't only apply to communication. It can apply for the rest of your life. When you learn something and then you try it, reflect back on what you did right and some things that you can improve on. That's the beauty of being a lifelong learner. You will continuously work and find ways to improve whatever you're doing. It doesn't just have to be about communication. Because at the end of the day, it's about being the person that we've always wanted to be. We never stop learning.